die naweek in aksie. Gekwas speel Vrydagmiddag 3 uur gasheer vir die Westelike provinsie, waarna die Griffins en die Bulle sake in Pretoria gaan uitspook. Liesel Olivier, SABC nuus, Johannesburg.
En ten slotte, vandag is Wêreldpapegaaiedag. En vir die spesiale dag fokus ons op die bedreigde groot papegaai, oftewel die Cape Parrot. Net so wat 1800 van die voëls is vandag nog in hulle natuurlike habitat te sien.
Bewaringsprogramme fokus hoofsaaklik daarop om die papegaai wat endemies aan Suid-Afrika is, se habitat te bewaar. Hulle word net in gedeeltes van misgordelwoude in die Oos-Kaap, suidelike KwaZulu-Natal en Limpopo aangetref. Die papegaai is afhanklik van die geelhoutboom in hierdie woude en skrop nes in holtes hoog in die bome. Maar die habitat van die papegaai is al honderde jare gelede bedreig toe daar begin is om geelhoutbome af te kap vir meubels en vuurmaakhout. Bewaringsorganisasies sê holistiese metodes van bewaring moet gevolg word wat almal bevoordeel.
One of the things we do is actually install artificial nest boxes out there for these parrots to try and use. And obviously the big focus that we have is actually restoration. And that is what an amazing community project that we have, where we actually build communal community nurseries, where people from the rural communities around these indigenous forests, they get a chance to actually learn about the Cape Parrot as well as the forest conservation, but obviously also earning money. So we build the structure, we teach them how to make compost, we collect the seeds from the indigenous forest, we give it to them, they raise these and have these seedlings germinate, and then we actually buy them back from them for planting back into these degraded areas.
Danksy navorsing weet ons vandag baie meer oor die unieke voëlspesie.
Around 2019, we actually had a year where there were no parrots breeding. We couldn't find any. And we actually realized that it was due to the drought. So this is the kind of information that we can pick up. And we obviously have restored hectares of land and planted, tens of thousands of trees, which unfortunately take, tens of years to actually get going. But so we, as a conservation NGO, we have a long-term view. I mean, this is a multi-generational game that we're busy playing, unfortunately. But we haven't seen any decreases.
Ander bedreigings vir die papegaai sluit in onwettige handel en siekte. Navorsers is egter vol hoop dat voortdurende bewusmaking die getalle 'n hupstoot sal gee.